Hi everyone, you are all welcome to my channel once more. Don't forget the name of my channel is Learn Maths with me. Please like and subscribe to the channel. So today we have a question before us. The question says evaluate 8 raised to the power of x minus 3 all equal to 32 raised to the power of x plus 2 divide 4 raised to the power of minus x. So we are expected to simplify this question and find the value of x. Please pay attention as I will be solving it. I'll also explain it to your understanding in case if you see a question of this kind, you can know how to go about it. Alright, so the first thing you are going to do, you put solution, right? So it's very important. Putting solution means you are ready now to solve the question. So after putting solution, the next thing you're going to do is to rewrite the question again. So if you write the question, you have 8 raised to the power of x minus 3 equal to 32 raised to the power of x minus plus 2 divide 4 raised to the power of minus x. Now our focus is how. Now if you look at the question, we have two sides. We have the right hand side, we have the left hand side, and each of these are of different base. So our focus is how to simplify this question so that the right and the left hand side can be of the same base, so that we can now cancel them and find the value of what x. So that is our focus. All right, so remember there is a law in indices. This question is under indices. A law in indices says that, okay, don't forget 2 raised to the power of 2, remember, it's 4, right? So it means that we can replace this 4 with 2 square. Also, 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8. That means we can replace this 8 with 2 cube. 2 raised to the power of 4 is 16, not there. Now 2 raised to the power of 5 is 32. We can replace this 32 with 2 raised to the power of 5. So if that is well taken, now let's continue. The place of 32, you put 2 raised to the power of 5. So you put 2 raised to the power of 5. Now this already existing power, you put them in a bracket. Then where you have 4, you put 2 square. And you put this in bracket minus x. Then on the left hand side, you put 2 cube in place of 8. So you now put 2 cube. Then you put x minus 3 in bracket. Alright. Now, the next step, you simplify further. Now, recall that, okay, let's first of all express this power so that it can be very simple for us. So now say 5 multiply x give us 5x. 5 multiply 2 give us plus 10. Then on the downside, 2 multiply minus x will give us minus 2x. Then on this side, 3 multiply 3x. Multiply x will give us 3x. 3 multiply minus 9 will give us minus 3 will give us minus 9. Okay. Now, there is a law in indices that said that when the base of the, remember this is on the left hand side, this is, sorry, on the right hand side, this is the numerator, or you can also call it dividend, and this is the denominator. you can also call it divisor. So the law said that when the base of the dividend and the divisor are the same, that you subtract the power of the divisor from the dividend. So if that is taken, you now say 2. Now this is the power of the dividend. Put it in a bracket. Minus, this is the power of the divisor. Put it in a bracket. So that is that on this side. All right. So if you look at this equation now, the base of the left hand side and the base of the right hand side are now the same. So you cancel it. Then you bring the powers down. So you have this. Okay, now continue. So the next thing is to open the bracket. So you have 5x plus 10. Then you have minus 2x inside the bracket. So minus multiply minus will give us positive sign. So you have plus 2x. So the next thing you say, collect like terms. What does it mean? It means bringing together numbers of same family. 3x, 5x, and 2x are of the same family. They are family of x. So say 3x. This is a positive sign. Once it cross this equality sign, turn to negative. Cross to this side, turn to negative. This is a positive sign too. It will cross and turn to negative. So cross turn to negative x. So in this I have 10. Minus 9 cross will turn to positive number, that is plus 9. Okay. So the next thing, we have 3x minus 5x plus 2x. Now, to make it more simple for you, keep this 3x. Minus 5 minus 2 give us minus 7x. Then 10 plus 9 give us 19. So 3x minus 7x will give us minus 4x, all equal to 9. So x become 19 all over minus 4. So the answer is x is equals to minus 19 all over 4. Or you can say x is equals to minus 4 odd number 3 over 4. You can use your calculator to confirm this answer. So this is our final answer. Let me give you a rundown of the explanation once more. Now, our question says, please don't forget the name of the channel is Learn Maths with me. The question says, evaluate x raised to the power of x minus 3 equals to 32 raised to the power of x plus 2, 4 raised to the power of negative x. Now this is the first part. You say solution. Now our focus is how to evaluate this, simplify it, and get the value of x. Now look at the right hand side and the left hand side are of different bases. So our focus is how to simplify it and have a single basis that will be the same with that of the left hand side, so that we can cancel them and get the value of x. So remember that 2 square is also 4. That means 4 can be replaced with 2 square. 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8. So 8 can be replaced with 2 cube, and 32 can be replaced with 2 raised to the power of 5. So putting all these values in place of 4, 32, and you have this, right? Now opening this bracket, 5 times x give us 5x. 5 times 2 give us 10. Then 2 multiply minus x will give us 2 raised to the power of minus 2x, while this side remains like this. That is 3 multiply x, 3x. 3 multiply minus 3 will give us minus 9. Now, getting to here, remember there's a law in indices that says that when the numerator, which is the dividend, and the denominator, which is the divisor, are of the same base, that you subtract the power of the dividend of the divisor from the dividend. So you now say 2. So this is the power of the dividend, which is 5x plus 10 minus the power of the divisor minus 2x. The left hand side remains the same. So since the base of the left hand side and the base of the right hand side are the same, you cancel them. After cancelling them, you bring the powers down. So we have 3x minus 9 on the left. We have 5x plus 10 minus upper bracket minus 2x. So you will now open the bracket to remove the bracket. 5x is here, 10. Then minus multiply 2 minus 2s will give you plus 2s. Remember, when a minus sign multiply a minus sign, it turns to a positive sign. So the next thing, you collect like terms. It means bringing number of the same family together. 3x, 5x, and 2s are of the same family. So you bring them together so that you can add them together or subtract them together to get a single s, right? So this is 3x. Now 5x is a positive sign. Once you cross this equality sign, turn to negative sign. So once you now cross, turn to minus 5x. Same thing applicable to 2s. You cross, turn to minus 2s. While here on the right hand side we have 10, then minus now cross and turn to plus 9. So getting to here, this is 3x minus 5x minus 2x will give us minus 7x. Then 10 plus 9 will give us 19. Then 3x minus 7x will give us minus 4x is equals to 19. So x is equals to minus 19 all over 4. Or you can simplify further, say x is equals to minus 4 whole number 3 over 4. You can use a calculator to verify this. So this is our final answer. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.